How to disable download option in YouTube video. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can disable download option in YouTube video. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you must have YouTube Studio application installed on your device. Once you have installed the YouTube Studio, you have to open it up and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you land on your dashboard, head over to the menu bar at the bottom of this page and from there, tap on Content. So once you land on your Content page here, you have to select the video where you want to disable the download option. For example, I have this video right here, so all you have to do is tap on the video. Then you will land on this page. Here again, navigate to this menu bar at the top, and in the top right corner, there is a pencil icon just in front of the share icon. So tap on pencil icon. That's going to take you to this edit piece. Here, scroll down and tap on more options at the very bottom of the piece. So once you land on more option, navigate to the section that says license and distributions. So under that section, there is an option that is checked in recently. So that is allow embedding. So in order to disable the download option, you have to uncheck these options. Once you have unchecked this option, go back and from here, make sure to tap on the save button at the top right corner. And with that, you have disabled download option in this video. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.